called in my Rec 351 Community Recreation Advocacy video. This video will specifically look at rec sports at UWL, including the men's club volleyball team and the impacts that the university has on that program. UWL Sports Club has 23 clubs with over 500 members, making it the largest student-run organization on UWL's campus. Students in these organizations help to run practices, have tryouts, organize travel with help from the university, and compete in regional and national competitions on behalf of the university. And now to hear about some of the specific ways that the university helps support rec sports, we're going to hear from the co-presidents of the men's club volleyball team, Nick Nielsen and Nick Peterson. And Nick Peterson is a member of the Executive Council for Sports Club.
Covers the fees that we need to actually participate in the conference. They also provide us with gym space twice a week, as well as rec sports staff to help set up and take down, and then also some other spaces on campus as well to host like a fundraiser or a tournament that we have.
Due to the sports clubs being affiliated with the university, we are at times expected to adhere to very strict expectations, including during the COVID-19 outbreak that Nick Nielsen will discuss in further detail.
As a club, the university expects us to represent them based on the university's cultures and what they stand for. For example, during COVID-19, the university expects us to adhere to any campus rules that were for masks or physical distancing or anything in regards to that. They also want us to be respectful to the other rec staff and just make sure we're listening to wherever we are in the state.
As stated previously, the university has a huge impact on how sports clubs are run, and they do many things well. And here Nick Peterson will talk about things that they do well and also a few things that they may be able to improve on to help the impact that sports clubs do have in the university.
Rec Sports does a really good job with providing us with the equipment we need. If there's a time that some of our equipment breaks, which we actually had one or two ball carts this year break, they do a really good job of being proactive with getting us new ones as soon as they can. We also are always practicing twice a week, so we do have reserved gym space. And then the funds as well, they do a good job with reimbursement right away. If there's a personal matter that we pay for, they do a good job with getting us reimbursed on time. On the other hand, there's a lot of scheduling conflicts that arise. There's sometimes other clubs that come and take our space due to a scheduling conflict. Scheduling is also another conflict that arises, and other events and other programs have precedence over us. Intramurals, for one, as well. They take some of our equipment because they have precedence over us. Which is really a bummer because we actually have a season and we compete and we have standings nationally, whereas intramurals just plays once a week.
As Nick Peterson stated, scheduling is one of the biggest issues that sports clubs face when finding practice times or for hosting events on UWL's campus. One way to help this is by having new facilities being constructed, such as the MAC and the new field house that is under construction currently. Another way to help with practice times is to have dedicated times for sports clubs in these facilities that are only to be used for that and not intramurals. In general, the university does a great job in supporting sports clubs financially and through help with their traveling to various regional and national tournaments. Now let's see some sports clubs in action.